Welcome to my channel. For today's video, well, it's more of come find me, and I'm going to give Bill one hell of a present. If you guys don't know who Bill is, he is the Luck Lab. The link is, link is in one of my other videos. Check it out. I'm going to give Bill his present. The present will be not one, not two, but 400 tiny locks and one challenge lock. On top of all that, I'm gonna give Bill one hell of a present. It's a secret, but if you fund me, I'll tell you that secret. So, the lock I'm gonna send Bill is, if you guys show Bill, he'll win the prize. It's his favorite brand in the whole world. Master Lock. It's gonna look just like this one. You probably don't recognize it. You probably recognize something similar to this. His big brother, the 140, is real simple to pick up. This one has a 3-pin core in it and a dumb little key or little shackle. This lock right here, I did break open. It was one that I talked about in the previous video. I happened to have found a body not too long ago. So, if you find me and this thing, this good effort, I guarantee 100% of it will go to charity. By charity, I mean to piss Bill off. So, thank you and have a nice day. Oh, one more thing. If you guys don't already know, this lock is gonna be the prime face. I'm gonna take a picture, print it off, put a letter, and the letter, it'll say something very important. If Bill doesn't do it, he forfeits the challenge. So, thank you, and have a nice day. Bye.